Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome to my step-by-step guide on how to learn electronics, from the basics all the way to advanced levels. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to deepen your knowledge, I've got you covered. First things first, let's start with the basics. You need to know the essential components: resistors, capacitors, diodes, and transistors. Resistors control the flow of current, capacitors store electrical energy, diodes allow current to flow in one direction, and transistors are used to amplify or switch electronic signals. Grab a basic electronics kit online. It usually includes these components, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. Now let's move on to creating simple circuits. Start by learning how to read a schematic diagram. It might look like a bunch of lines and symbols, but trust me, it's straightforward once you get the hang of it. Connect your components on the breadboard according to the schematic diagram. Don't worry if you make mistakes, that's part of the learning process. Once you're comfortable with basic circuits, it's time to learn about microcontrollers. The Arduino platform is perfect for beginners. You can get an Arduino starter kit which comes with an Arduino board and various sensors and actuators. Start with simple projects like blinking an LED or reading a temperature sensor. The Arduino community is huge, and you'll find plenty of tutorials and support online. As you progress, you'll want to understand more about different types of sensors and how to integrate them into your projects. Learn about analog and digital signals, and how to use libraries to make your coding easier. Experiment with different modules like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even GPS. This is where things start getting really exciting. Finally, when you're ready for advanced electronics, dive into designing your own PCB, printed circuit board. Software like Eagle or KiCad can help you with this. Designing a PCB involves creating a detailed schematic and laying out the board for manufacturing. Once you've designed your PCB, you can send your designs to a professional manufacturer or even make your own at home. Learning electronics is a journey, and the more you practice, the better you'll become. Remember, safety first, and have fun tinkering with your projects. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.